Callum here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a last word. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our new content. The last word was first created in the Detroit Athletic Club in 1916 for their Souvenir Menu 1 year after opening. This drink continued to be served underground during Prohibition, eventually spreading across to New York and other major cocktail cities. The drink, however, fell into the mist of history, and it wasn't until 2004 when a veteran bartender named Murray Stenson dug up this old recipe and started serving at the ZigZag Cafe in Seattle. This drink became incredibly popular in the Seattle and Portland area, eventually spreading across the US and then the world. This herbal, citrusy, boozy drink is not for the faint-hearted. It's a bartender favourite for that very reason and is a well-respected classic. So keeping in line with that respect, what we're going to do is the original recipe of equal parts gin, maraschino, green chartreuse and lime juice. We're going to shake and fine strain this drink into a chilled coupe, like so. So we're going to get that coupe up. I'm going to get our shakers up like so. We're going to use 25 milliliters of gin. Then we're going to use 25 milliliters of maraschino, 25 milliliters of green chartreuse, and we're going to use 25 milliliters of freshly squeezed lime juice. We're going to shake and fine strain this drink into our chilled coupe now. We're going to break open the shaker and we're going to fine strain into our coupe. But before we do that, we're going to taste this drink to make sure we reach the perfect dilution. Lovely. And now we're going to fine strain. And we're going to garnish this drink with a maraschino cherry. And there you have it, a last word. Enjoy.